What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar. You're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, today I'm going to tell you guys a trick through which you can actually make your tweets go viral. Now, when I say viral, which means right from the moment you have tweeted something, it's going to get a lot of impressions and the tweet will be seen by more and more people. It's basically a simple math, guys. Until and unless you don't have a higher impression rate, the CTR, that is the click-through rate, is going to be low. But the moment your tweet reaches a lot of impressions, this impression rate goes higher. That is how your CTR, there's a chance of your CTR level as well to increase. So there's a simple website named as trends24.in. They also have an application. Today I'm going to show you how actually you can just go ahead and quickly do that through the application. You can search the relevant hashtags and you can get more impressions for your tweets basically. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I keep on making such videos on a regular basis. Without any delay, let's get to the mobile screen and let's get started.
So here we are on the mobile screen. The moment you actually go ahead, you can just open the app. As I said, the name of the app is Trends24. If you do not get the app, you can simply go ahead on the website. The website link is trends24.in. It's similar. It's completely similar to the app interface. There is nothing different. As you see, there is a worldwide filter which is there currently set up over here. You can just go ahead and scroll down, and you can see the most tweeted hashtags over here worldwide. Right now, it's the filter I have set as worldwide. I mean, by default, the filter will be worldwide. You can go ahead and change it country wise. For instance, if I want to know what are the current hashtags which are trending in India, I'll just type India over here and I'll just click on India, and it will give me all the tweets which are viral. I mean, with all the hashtags which are currently viral and people are tweeting about in India. This is few minutes ago, this is 1 hour ago, 2 hours, and so on and so forth. So you can just, while you tweet, for instance, I'm gonna go ahead and open my Twitter account. So here I am on my Twitter. I have already written a tweet. I'm gonna just copy paste the tweet. Now this is my tweet. This is regarding the latest video which I made. That was how to get your free domain. That was a hack from pokepun.com. If you have not checked out that video, please go ahead and check it out. Now, once you write this particular tweet, all you have to do is go back to Trends24 and check out the trending hashtags. For instance, Rahul Gandhi, Voice of India. There are, as we can see, there are 61,000 tweets which people are tweeting about it. There is dark Netflix, yellow Twitter and stuff. So you just need to find the relevant ones according to your tweet that you're gonna post. Um, Let me just check. Or in case if you actually do not find something which is relevant to your topic, you can just simply select any particular hashtag and just add in your tweets. Let me just go ahead and add. So I'm going to add this second one. Can't you see me first win? Uh, so this is the one. Then I'm going to go ahead and check out for a new one. 1 second. Mm, let's see what is trending in India again. It's a dark Netflix. All right. So these are two hashtags which I wanna go ahead with right now. You can add as many hashtags as you want. Yellow Twitter is another one. Let's add. Then hashtag uh, T2 Talks. Now make sure that you actually whenever you use this hack, just make sure that you actually tweet maximum twice in a particular day, because the moment you will misuse this service, Twitter, there is a possibility Twitter might ban your account, or you would be discarded, or your tweet might be deleted. So maximum, make sure that maximum you just use this particular hack twice a day. That's it. And I'm just gonna tweet it now, and just go on home, go on my website. Uh, this is the account. So as you see, there are only 47 seconds which I have tweeted this tweet, and let me just see the engagement rate. So you see, the already I have got 20 impressions on my tweet in just 47 seconds. So this is how you can actually, and it's increasing as we talk, it's just increasing. It just went to 23 and 26. So this is how you can make your tweets go viral. But as I said, like try and make this particular hack only twice a day, and do not misuse this trick. This is a good way to get a lot of impression rate, and through which you can actually increase your CTR. Do let me know in the comment section below, how did you find this particular hack?
So that was my hack about how can you go ahead and make your tweets go viral on Twitter. If you like this particular video, please hit the like button, guys, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. When you guys subscribe to my channel, it's just a motivation factor to bring you more and more videos like these. Also, do not forget to check out my blog. There's a new article I write on a weekly basis. In case if you guys have any queries or any particular tool or website you want me to go ahead and make a video about, please write to me in the comment section below. That's all from my end for today, guys. I will be back with another hack for you people. Thank you for watching, and keep geeking.